So, who should pay for the first date? A woman may answer this question by saying, "I don't think so, me pay. That's what men are for, I'm not paying for our date," she might also say. Especially, if she's old school, wherein she was brought up to believe that men should be responsible for taking care of their women. Some men would agree with women who believe that a man should take care of his woman. In fact, some men may even feel insulted if a woman even thought about paying for their date. However, not everyone would agree with this nowadays. Some people believe that when you go on a date to a restaurant, movie or wherever, you should split the bill with your date. Others believe that you should pay your own bill when you're on a date. In fact, some folks believe that if you pay your own bill, that neither one of you should expect the other person to owe you anything. It is amazing that the subject of who should pay for a date can cause a person to become apprehensive, nervous and anxious. Just the idea that they have to think about who will pay for the date can keep them from dating. This is because they do not want to discuss the subject and would just rather skip the date altogether than deal with this issue. Well, you say to yourself, "I want to go on a date, so I still need to know who should pay for our date." Since you still want an answer to this question, here are 5 tips to help you figure out how you should handle this situation with your date if this issue should come up. 1. Consider splitting the bill. Remember, you may have just started dating and you really don't know each other that well. Neither person owes the other anything. Think of it as though you're out with some of your friends or coworkers. Don't you normally split the bill when it comes? You probably do. So consider doing the same thing on your date. 2. Think about paying the entire bill and consider suggesting that your date pick up the tab for the next date. This gives you a good reason among other things to go on another date. 3. Make it fun. Toss a coin to see who gets to pay the bill. The winner of the coin toss does not have to pay the bill. 4. Consider inviting your date to your home for a meal or to watch movies. You won't have a bill to think about splitting and this will make your date priceless. 5. Go on a date that does not require you to split the bill. Consider going to the beach, park or do some leisure walking together. This makes for a nice date with no bill attached. You can enjoy each other's company, without worrying about who will pay for the bill at the end of the date. Enjoy your date. That's the whole idea, isn't it? Don't make the question of who should pay a problem or issue for you when you meet each other. Just go with what you feel is comfortable at the time. Be spontaneous, just let the date flow, and you'll see that everything will probably work out just fine. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for our latest videos. Like to attract the perfect partner? Click the link in the description to learn more.